Hello everyone, I have another package from China and this is from Gearbest. So let's see what is inside. It's supposed to be a couple of things, not only one product this time. So let's see the first. So the first one, it's really tiny. It's just a micro micro SD card. It's a U3. So probably you can see the speed what it should be able to do. Like it's 100 megabytes of writing speed, reading speed, and 90 megabytes of writing speed. I will test it. I will try it. Hopefully it's gonna work, and hopefully it's not gonna be like the fake card what I bought from Wish. Actually, I'm confident that it's gonna be able to do what it's promised. Like, it's Samsung, it is from a real store, from Gearbest, so hopefully it's gonna be good. Let's see what else. Also, I should have like 2 of these. Yes, a little adapter for the micro SD cards, because actually I'm using a micro SD card in my DSLR. I don't know why, like it's working really well. And here is the rest of the thing. So it's a lens cleaning kit or something like that. So let's see what it is. So first of all, here is a little brush just to clean around the DSLR. I believe there is something in this side. Yes. Well, okay, so I don't know. I mean, probably it doesn't have any raw in the process. I guess this is the part what should be able to clean it somehow. Okay, it is gonna came out, so let's see what. Oh yes. So here is a other thing. So it's nice and soft. Okay, I'm not exactly sure what is that for, but this is okay. And this is just to you squeeze it and it's put out the air. So if I have a dust on the lens, what I have, it should be able to remove the smaller dust, but it's not exactly happening. Like the air is coming out pretty strongly, so that's probably I should take a little better cleaning on this lens, as I see, and also a little cloth to clean the lens. Actually, I expected a little better material than this one, but it's already moved some of the stuff what the other did not move. Actually, it's not bad. Like, I can see already the difference in this. Like, the lens looks much cleaner now. I don't know how much is gonna be visible from that in the video. Like, probably not too much. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. God bless.